Welcome to Explore Hub. So the first question we're given is, are the following functions odd, even, or neither? Let's start off with part A. So we know that a function is even when f of x is equals to f of negative x, and a function is odd when negative f of x is equals to f negative x. So we can solve this question by seeing if our function f of x minus x cubed fits any of these definitions to be odd or even, or if it's neither. So basically we plug in f of negative x over here, which would give us 5 minus x minus x cubed. That gives us minus 5x, and a cube of a negative number remains negative, and negative times negative is a positive, so we get plus x cubed. Now that we know that f of negative x is equals to minus 5x plus x cubed, is this the same thing as f of x, or is this the same thing as negative f of x? So we know f of x is 5x minus x cubed, so this is definitely not f of x, so it's not even. Now is this equal to negative f of x is equal to f negative of x? So if you have a function f of x 5x minus x cubed, f of x is equals to 5x minus x cubed, and if you place a negative sign in front of it, this will become a negative and this will become positive. So these two are equal, which means our function is odd. Now let's try out part B. In part B, we're given the function f of x is equals to 2x plus 3. So we simply need to plug in f of minus x into this equation. We get 2 minus x plus 3, which is minus 2x plus 3. And we know f of x is equals to 2x plus 3, and f of negative f of x is equals to minus 2x minus 3. And is this equal to this? No. Is this equal to this? No. So our function is neither odd nor even. Now let's try out part C. So part C, we've been given f of x is equals to 3x squared plus 2. Basically, we plug in f of negative x into this, which gives us 3 negative x squared plus 2. Now that we have that, we get 3 negative x squared as x squared plus 2. So our function remains the same as f of x, even. So when f of negative x is equal to f of x, our function is even. Thank you for joining us. I hope to see you in the next lesson.